Hey guys, I'm just going to show you a little update video on what we have done today on the Burnout car, and then I'm going to show you some clips of just pretty much getting it a little bit more prepped for tomorrow when we'll be taking it up to the land for the event. Alright, so we've adjusted the handbrake. It's all working. As you can see, wheel's not moving. Obviously if we took it off and did it, it would move. Wipers are working. And we've also got a tranny cooler on the car. As we can see, we got it off the VT Commodore. The VNs don't usually come with them, but because we're doing burnouts, we just wanted to attach it to the car. Just drilled holes through the front, cable tied it through because we didn't have bolts at the moment. So we just, as you can see, cable tied it, and at the bottom we've drilled it through the bottom of the bumper just here. I'll show you some clips of that too, and just cable tied it through. And pretty much all we have to do now is get all this loose shit out of the car. All that, because it's getting picked up today. We're going to get a flatbed and take it up to the land. And then tomorrow we'll be filming all the footage and shit. Then to load it up after we've chucked all this loose shit out. Put all tyres and shit in it, and we'll go get some fuel from the petrol station. Alright, take it easy. Alright, so we've cleaned all the loose shit out of the car. There's more on the other side too. Quite a bit of loose shit around the car. Now we're just going to load the car up with burnout tyres, and then we're good to go. Alright, so we've got all the tyres and rims in the back, ready for tomorrow. So I'll see you there.
You call